Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your tax strategy with TurboTax step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the TurboTax website. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. If you already have an account, click on Sign In and enter your credentials. Once logged in, select the type of tax situation you have. Choose between options like self-employed, homeowner, or student. After selecting your situation, review the recommended plans. Select a plan that suits your needs and click on Start for free or Buy Now. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Provide details such as your name, address, and social security number. Next, input your income information from your W-2s or 1099 forms. If you have multiple income sources, ensure you enter each one separately. TurboTax will guide you through possible deductions and credits. Be honest and detailed in answering questions regarding expenses. Upload documents directly or manually enter information as needed. As you progress, TurboTax will calculate potential refunds or liabilities. Review the summary of your tax situation carefully. Make any necessary adjustments if the information appears incorrect. Utilize the built-in tools for maximizing deductions. Consider consulting TurboTax resources for additional tips. If applicable, take advantage of the built-in audit protection feature. Once you're satisfied with your entries, click on the File option. Choose whether to file electronically or by mail. Before filing, review the final summary and double-check all entries. Once everything looks correct, submit your tax return. After filing, keep a copy of your return for your records. Track your refund status through the TurboTax platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.